Hi my friends, welcome to Helen's class Fun Fact with Chinese Characters. In this series, I'm going to introduce something interesting about Chinese characters, which I find out during my learning and teaching experience, and I think they might help the learners. I have to declare that I'm not a scholar, and this isn't a scientific report, so not every detail is exactly correct. For historical things, there is much dispute and different statements about one thing. So I just choose the part that may help learners to understand and remember our characters. For our first lesson, I'd like to talk about the character which means meat in Chinese, 肉. This is a very useful character because in a common Chinese menu, in the kind of restaurants that native Chinese often go to, you cannot find pinyin or English translation or picture for each dish. That means you have to figure out what's in the dish according to the character. If you are vegetarian, don't choose anyone with this character. Okay, so much for the food. Let's look at this character. This is how we write it nowadays. And in ancient times, 肉 was written like this. One way how Chinese people created character was by copying the appearance of that object. So does this character 肉. We wanted to draw a piece of meat. Pay attention, these two parts, which look like the character people, originally represented veins in muscles. So this character means meat or flesh of animals. Another interesting thing about this character is that it is a common radical in compound characters, but it changed a little when it became a radical. You must know this character, 月, right? Which means moon or month. Also, you may see it in many characters with no relation with moon, like 腿, leg, 脚, foot, 脑, brain. That's right. When the character 肉 became a radical, it changed to this. To tell the truth, many Chinese people don't even know this relation. Almost every time when you see this radical in a character, it means meat or flesh, not moon. But there is one exception. That is the character 朋. Here, this part means neither meat or flesh. Actually, this character has changed a lot during history, and it is a complicated story. But you can take it as flesh or people. If two people are always together, they are friends, right? Okay, that's all I want to share about the character 肉. In the end, I'd like to give you a Chinese menu, and please find out all the characters of 肉 and the ones with it as a radical. See you next time. 再见。